Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well wherever you're watching me from. My name is Kayiwa Craves, and on this channel I share with you my food and travel journeys. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below and like the video. On this particular video, I'm gonna share with you my experience at Party King, and today I'm gonna be bowling like a pro. It's my first time bowling, but today I'm gonna make sure I do it like a pro. Now this is a sport you could come out with your friends, spend some time together, do some activities like bowling, dancing, archery. There's lots of games at this place. Just follow along and I hope you enjoy this content. So I'm at Party King right now, and this is what it looks like. For those wondering where Party King is, it's located at People's Square. It's under a basement of a mall, so it's like a hidden gem. You better come check it out. So right over here we have a booth. I believe this is for gaming. You could actually come with your partner or your friend, come game here, or alternatively you could use it as a karaoke booth. So now this is very interesting game. Now this game is all about throwing your axe, probably practicing your target. So you get a pair of axes and try to throw them into the bull's eye. And the music right here is quite intense. If you're a lover of loud music, you're gonna love this place. It's all about full entertainment, lots of entertainment zones, entertainment games, entertainment activities. You're gonna love it. Okay, try. So we're done throwing axes. It was actually exciting, and now it's time to try another activity. And over here is where you do your archery from. I'm gonna be trying out the bow and arrow. I can't wait to give it a try. to another activity, and the next activity is going to be dancing. We're going to be doing a dancing challenge with my friends, and there's going to be a section called Just Dance. You basically dance in front of the screen. It records you as you follow along to the choreography being shown on the screen. So let's try it out right now and see how it goes.
What we do here is go back.
It was fun dancing with my friends over here, and it brought up some good memories from when I was still little. I believe I'll live to remember this day. Now this activity is done, let's go try bowling. I can't wait to give it a shot. It's gonna be my first time, but I believe I'm gonna be like a pro.
ไปดิ
เล่นเส้นไทยแลนด์ละมึงเนี่ย
คนละลูกไอคนยังไม่เชื่อ
เร็วๆเล่นไม่เป็นอ่ะ
embrace
ทำยังไงหรอจับแล้วก็ค่อยขาลง
เฮ้ยอย่าโยนมาฝันเลยดูจะเข้าโรงพยาบาล
ลงตรงกลางนะคะตรงกลาง
ไปเลยต้องใช้นี่แหมแสงตาพิฆาตเฮ้ยเดินมาข้างหลังคนละข้างโอ้ยโอ้ยระวังเลยนะ Come on, Nelly! Finish it! That's crushing it, man.
这是最够的好吧来一个You stuck, you stuck.
Okay.
เฮ้ยเขาทำสปินอยู่นะ เฮ้ยเขาทำสปินเก่งนะเว้ย
Yeah.
เฮ้ยเก่งมากเห็นปะ
That was
เห็น
good.
ปะมีเซนอะยังทำสปินได้ เฮ้ย
Wow. Great.
That's the ball. That's going too heavy.
You pay for me
Look for you. Your next?
Alicia's. Yeah. Got the ball.
อู้ 300อ่ะ
โยนแบบ
So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and my recommendation, you should come check out the Party King. In case you're in Shanghai and you're looking for a place to hang out, you and your friends, do some activities, this is a place you could come check out, spend time together, create some memories, and also relax. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share the video, leave your comments down below. I'll highly appreciate it. Goodbye.